Hi, Jeff Cote here with Boating Tech Talk. So we've got a question from Holland. Amazing how YouTube connects all of us together. I love it. Absolutely love it. So Erik from Holland says, Jeff, I'm preparing an electrical redesign on a 35-year-old Beneteau. 35-year-old? I wouldn't even say that's old. 35? My boat's from 1990 and she's 31 years young. With the help of a very educating series. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Erik, could you explain or show how you use cable branching? I want to get one cable from the forward cabin and branch it out to multiple lights. Love it. Yes. So the reality is, as boaters, if you think about your electrical panel on your boat, let me break the news to you. Not all of your appliances or loads are actually individually turned off at the panel. The panel would look like the cockpit of a 777 Boeing. It'd be like 100 switches. On my boat, no joke, I'd have a panel that would be the size of a door. Like it would be floor to ceiling. It's crazy. So the reality is that you might turn one breaker on the panel, cabin lights, but that is actually going to do multiple lights on a boat. Think about, on my Catalina 36, standard boat from the 1990, I probably have 15 different lights on my boat. There's lights a little bit everywhere. And so how does one breaker do 15 things? Well, the way that what Erik is alluding to here, which is really important, is this concept of branching, right? So you might have one circuit leaving the breaker going to, and this is essential, a fuse block. This little fuse block, I've got a picture right here, from Blue Seas is a good example, and it doesn't have to be Blue Seas, but Blue Seas is in Washington State and we use their products quite a lot. What it allows you to do is it allows you to individually fuse all the circuits. And the reason why that's important to all of us is that if ever one circuit fails, it's only going to blow that one fuse. And then let's say for example, some of these fuse blocks are made for 6 circuits, 12 circuits. And the good news is it doesn't take down the whole boat electrically for cabin lights. Because what happens, imagine if we've got one bad light and every time you turn the breaker on, it trips the whole cabin lights. Now you're in the dark, now you need a flashlight, now it's overwhelming. It's not one light that doesn't work, it's your whole boat's cabin lights don't work. So when you do branch circuits, what I recommend, use that Blue Seas, for example, distribution, right? Where each individual light connected to that one circuit breaker is fanned out. And then what you do is you put a small little fuse on each one, and if one circuit acts up, fails, it's only going to be localized. And that's how you do branch circuits, is installing these distributed fuse blocks everywhere throughout the boat as a way to containing any sort of events that might happen downstream on your boat so that one bad light doesn't cause your whole boat to go dark. Great question from Erik from Holland, and thanks for asking. Thank you for watching this PYS video. If you've got further questions, please ask them below or send us an email via the contact forms on our website. Happy to donate my time to share information with you. You can support us in keeping this channel ad-free by purchasing some merchandise on our store or by making a donation on PayPal. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching.